Hi Barb, so just a quick video to talk through how you can insert these codes into the external data reference area of a contact list. So when you go to create a contact list and export the example mailing list document, it will look very like this. It will just be the first name, last name, primary email address. There'll be a column for external data reference, and then you would have a column for each one of your embedded data fields following on from that. So currently I can imagine you have some sort of embedded data field called code with the codes that you want people to authenticate in based off of. But all you would need to do in this circumstance is actually just copy the codes that are listed for these participants and paste them into the external data reference column instead, because we can use this in the authenticator area for people to authenticate in off of. You can leave the code embedded data field present as well if you would like, but the external data reference is always going to be recorded with the data as well, so you can use that in your analysis later on if you would like, but that's just personal preference. So then once you save this contact list and import it into Qualtrics, each person will now have the code that you want them to authenticate in off of based in the external data reference column instead. So when it comes to setting up the authenticator, instead of just email address, there's also external data reference that you can authenticate based off of, and then they will have to authenticate based off of the codes that have been assigned here. So it's just like using an embedded data field, but you're actually just putting it into the fixed indexed field within Qualtrics so that you can use the authenticator to use this. So I hope that answers your question, but if you do have any more specific questions around this, please just let me know.